Okay.
Hi, this is Bill Purcell. I'm president of the Greater Valley Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here with my friend Bob Pavanella, senior partner with Sandler Training, and a longtime member of our chamber. We're pleased to announce that Sandler is partnering with this chamber and a few others in offering a series of much-needed 60-minute micro-training sessions called the Sandler Six Pack. Great summer, the title. And I'm happy to say offering these at a very special chamber partner rate. Bob, why don't you tell us about Sandler and tell us about this upcoming series?
Thanks, Bill. And yes, we're very excited to be offering this program. First, for those who still may be unfamiliar with Sandler Training, we're one of the leading sales and leadership training companies in the world. For this virtual micro training initiative, we selected 6 topics that our current clients have found to be especially impactful for their sales, for their management, and for their leadership personnel.
So who in an organization is best suited to attend the program, Bob?
I would say the programs are attended by anyone in the company who chooses to register, but most likely the beneficiaries would be salespeople, managers, or business leaders. The good news is that pretty much anyone who struggles, even occasionally, in their dealings with clients, prospects, or other team members can benefit from the content that we've assembled in this Sandler Six Pack.
That's good. I've looked over the program. A few of the titles jump out at me. The first one is Why Salespeople Fail and What You Can Do About It. Tell us about that one.
Yeah, senior management's feeling a ton of pressure right now about the remainder of 2020 and as we prepare for 2021. Sales really needs to be especially robust to make up for some shortfall over the last few months. They may believe that their sales teams have the ability to turn this around, yet they're not closing really much needed new business right now. So what's gone wrong? And importantly, what, if anything, can be done about it? If that keeps you up at night, like it at times keeps me up, attend this session, as that concern is key for all business leaders right now.
Amen. And I've certainly heard it in my travels here throughout our valley. The last session, Bob, is entitled Next Level Communication. Stop talking, start questioning. Why don't you elaborate on that?
Sure. When it comes to sales interactions, we advocate a 70-30 rule at Sandler. You want to be listening at least 70% of the time, which means letting your prospect or your client do most of the talking. However, when you speak, asking the right questions and knowing when to ask them is critical for any position in the company. In fact, the techniques that we'll share at this session can actually be used by anyone in an organization. Leaders who are conducting an interview, managers who are conducting a one-on-one session with a team member, or a salesperson talking to a potential client.
It all sounds great. The Sandler Six Pack. So when does it all start?
Yes, our first session will be held September 10th from 9 to 10 a.m. All the information that's needed can be found on the Valley Chamber site or by contacting me at 203-379-8330. My email address is right on the screen there as well. Or anyone from your network as well, Bill, can contact the Valley Chamber for additional directions.
That's great. One last question, Bob. Can a business sign up for just 1 or 2 of the sessions versus the whole series?
Yes, the training is a value priced as a 6-pack bundle, but it can be purchased a la carte as well. Of course, we feel there's plenty of opportunity for a business to send multiple individuals to pick what subjects work best for them and take advantage of the bundled pricing offering.
That's great. Well, listen, this chamber and all the other chambers are firm believers in the power of continued professional development. And we thank you very much for delivering up this very topical and timely series. We look forward to it. Thanks, Bob.
Thanks, Bill, and we appreciate your support as always.